Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You must be an affiliate or partner before you can add subscriber badges, so confirm that now. Once confirmed, prepare your artwork in 3 required sizes: 72x72, 36x36, and 18x18 pixels as PNGs with transparent background. Next, open Twitch Creator Dashboard and navigate to Viewer Rewards, then Subscriber Badges. This is the first actionable step. Click Add Set to start a new badge set. Make sure file names clearly indicate size, because now upload your PNGs into the matching slots: large, medium, and small. Once done, name the badge set and configure subscriber tier levels, for example, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month, so Twitch knows when to swap icons. Make sure to preview on both light and dark themes because contrast can break small details. After previewing, click Save. If you plan progressive badge upgrades, assign images to each month tier in order, before saving to avoid reorder mistakes. Finish by activating the badge set and confirming it's assigned to your channel. This pushes the badges live for current and new subscribers. If viewers don't see updates, ask them to clear cache or do a hard refresh. Browser caching often hides changes. If badges appear blurry or missing, double-check file sizes and re-upload the correct 72/36/18 px PNGs. Finally, test with a secondary account or ask a moderator to verify appearance in chat so you're confident everything displays properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.